Imagine a world where every cut is perfect, where precision meets power, and DIY becomes not just a pleasure, but a true work of art. It is in this world that the Bosch Home Garden PKS 40 circular saw makes its way into your home, offering an unprecedented experience where every detail has been designed to meet your most specific needs. Let me guide you through the features of this technological marvel and show you why it has become a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This circular saw is ideal for DIY enthusiasts who seek precision and ease of use in their woodcutting projects. Perfect for beginners and experienced DIYers looking to carry out home projects with professional efficiency. At the heart of this revolution lies an 850-watt motor, a true titan in terms of performance, capable of transforming the most arduous tasks into pure moments of pleasure. This motor is not only powerful, but it also means effortless cutting, allowing you to achieve flawless work with astonishing ease. Imagine cutting wood as if you were slicing through the air with a precision that is one with your will. This is the entire promise of the PKS 40 2001. But what truly sets this circular saw apart is its compact and ergonomic design. Held in hand, it becomes an extension of your arm thanks to its soft grip handle, which ensures unmatched comfort even during prolonged use. This comfort is crucial as it allows you to maintain impeccable precision from the beginning to the end of your work. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Changing the blade, often seen as a chore, becomes a breeze thanks to the spindle lock in just a few seconds. With no effort at all, you are ready to tackle a new task. This ease of use is a true revolution, allowing even beginners to feel confident and make perfect cuts. Precision is the key word for the PKS 40. Thanks to the cut control system, following the cutting line has never been easier. This innovative guide, combined with easy adjustments for depth and angle of cut, gives you complete control over your work, ensuring professional quality results with every use. But don't be fooled. Despite all its advanced features, the PKS 40 remains incredibly simple to use. Its safety switch, equipped with a bilateral lock, ensures maximum safety, preventing any accidental activation. Safety is paramount, and Bosch Home Garden has understood this well by designing this lightweight and compact circular saw. The PKS 40 defies the laws of physics by offering exceptional maneuverability without sacrificing its power. Its lightweight design of 2.6 kg is a major advantage, allowing you to make long and precise cuts without fatigue. This lightweight design, combined with flawless ergonomics, transforms every use into a pleasant and satisfying experience. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Designed to adapt to a multitude of projects, the PKS 40 excels in both straight and bevel cuts in wood. Whether you want to build a piece of furniture, cut boards for a deck, or simply adjust your door, this circular saw is the tool you need. Its versatility is an undeniable asset that allows you to bring all your ideas to life without limits. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, the powerful 850W motor offers excellent performance for effortless cutting through various materials. Advantage number 2, compact and ergonomic design. Facilitates handling and control even during prolonged use. Advantage number 3, quick blade change. Allows for easy transition from one task to another, increasing work efficiency. Advantage number 4, cutting precision thanks to the cut control guiding system and the easy adjustment of cutting depth and angle. Advantage number 5, weighing only 2.6 kg, it is easy to handle, maneuver, and reduces fatigue during long or complex tasks. Now let's move on to some drawbacks. The number 1 drawback is that it is limited to cuts in wood. Although it is excellent for wood, its capabilities may be limited for other materials without the purchase of additional blades. In conclusion, the Bosch Home Garden PKS 40 circular saw is much more than just a tool. It is a DIY companion that elevates every project to a higher level. Its ergonomic design, controlled power, and unmatched precision make it a preferred choice for anyone looking to undertake significant projects. Impeccable with ease and safety. Don't wait any longer to discover the joy of working with the best. Click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price, learn more, and browse through hundreds of satisfied customer reviews. Perfection is just a click away. You just need to seize the opportunity. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.